Welcome to Asyn Code. Welcome back. Hit like and subscribe if you want more videos like this one. A percentile is a way of measuring and understanding the distribution of data. This example demonstrates how to calculate percentiles and use them for outlier detection in a set of data. Specifically, it works with a list of test scores. Importing the NumberPy library for numerical operations. NumberPy is a powerful library that allows for efficient numerical operations, like calculating percentiles. Sample data, test scores of 10 students. This list represents the test scores we are analyzing. Converting the list of scores to a NumberPy array for easier numerical operations. Converting the list to a NumberPy array. NumberPy arrays allow us to perform efficient mathematical operations. Defining a function to calculate percentiles. This function calculates the specified percentiles for the given data. Perm data, a NumberPy array or list of numerical values, test scores, for example. Perm percentiles, a list of percentiles to calculate, e.g., 25, 50, 75. Return, a list of values at the specified percentiles. np.percentile calculates the value corresponding to a given percentile. It sorts the data and then determines the value at the specified percentile. Returns the values for each percentile in the percentiles list. We want to calculate the 25th, 50th, and 75th percentiles of the test scores. Calling the function to calculate the percentiles, 25th, 50th, 75th. The result will be stored in percentile_values. Printing out the results for each percentile. Printing the 25th percentile value, first item in the list. Printing the 50th percentile, or median, the middle value. Printing the 75th percentile value, third item in the list. Outlier detection. We will check if any values fall outside the 5th and 95th percentiles. Calculating the 5th and 95th percentiles, which are commonly used to detect outliers. The 5th percentile represents a threshold below which 5% of the data falls. The 95th percentile represents a threshold above which 5% of the data falls. Printing out the 5th and 95th percentiles which define our outlier thresholds. Printing the 5th percentile value. Printing the 95th percentile value. Identifying potential outliers based on the thresholds we just calculated. Using a list comprehension to find any scores lower than the 5th percentile, below outlier threshold. Lower underscore outlier will hold all scores below the 5th percentile threshold. Similarly, using a list comprehension to find any scores higher than the 95th percentile, above outlier threshold. Upper underscore outlier will hold all scores above the 95th percentile threshold. Printing the identified outliers to see which values are outside the expected range. Printing the scores that are lower than the 5th percentile. Printing the scores that are higher than the 95th percentile. Now run our code. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.